Okay, so in this video, I thought, because I ain't seen hardly anything on the RCN3 controllers being used with the Mini 5 Pro, and I thought, I think I should make a video of that, just to prove that even if you just can't afford the RC2 controller, that you can just use the RCN3 controller because you're using the Fly app. I got my iPhone, now you could use a tablet. Another tablet I use is a Samsung tablet. But anyway, we're going to get the drone up in the air first. So the app's on already.
Take off.
Okay, I'm just letting it hang there a minute. I'm just going to bring it up a little bit more. And just letting it hover there a minute. Precision landing. Okay, so that's done. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to send it up a little bit more. And I'm going to send it over this way. I'm just going to do a distance. Okay, that's enough. And we're just going to go out on a bit of a distance, because some people have been complaining about the signal. The signal's not very good on the Mini 5 Pro. I'll be honest, I haven't really noticed that problem. But then that could be wherever you are, guys. Now, I'm looking directly at a radio mast, which can interfere with your drone, believe it or not. But today I've got a good signal, I've got 36 satellites, everything else is looking good. There's a little bit of wind today. Okay, I'll just go out. Oh, God, I've gone over that. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring it back, return to home. I'm not going to bring it home completely.
Return to home.
We'll go into Waypoints. We'll do a little bit of Waypoints. We then whack it into ActiveTrack, and I'll just show you nothing's changed, guys. You know, nothing's going to be different if you've got the RCN3 controller. Because I know a lot of people, drones are not cheap, especially these days. But obviously every time a new drone comes out, especially with DJI, they're always improving. And obviously with the Mini 5 Pro, with that 1-inch sensor, it's going to make your video footage so much better. So it's just coming in now. Right, so I can cancel that for the moment. I'm going to go into Waypoints. I'm going to go into history. Okay, so I've got 5 waypoints. That looks good for me. I'll just press on the dots. Return to home after flight. I'm going to press go. It's going to go off out onto its first waypoint mission. Now, hopefully, I've booked it in. But I always book it in, eh? It's so the video will come on the Mo. That means that the first waypoint's already started. Just coming down. Okay, just setting itself up. Okay, so the video's come on, so I know it's done. It's doing its first waypoint mission. I can see it over there. What I have learned with the Mini 5 Pro at the moment, guys, especially with waypoints, make sure you'll keep an eye on that drone, because when I first did this with the drone, for some reason it went right down. It would have hit the ground in the end eventually, but okay, it's gone over the top there. It's going upwards. Okay, that's good.
Return to home.
So it's doing return to home. I'm going to let it return to home this time. And while that's doing that, I can come out, exit without saving. So we know that worked fine.
Landing.
I wanted to do it so long, but I was interested in how I programmed that waypoint that time. Because you can do so many things with waypoints. So anyway, it's coming into land. Is it a land on the H? Looking good at the moment. It's a bit of a wind, bit of turbulence there. No, dead on the H. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to do ActiveTrack. So we get the drone off the ground, There I am. Let's do a box around me. I've got on spotlight, ActiveTrack, right, standard. Okay, so this I'm sure you don't get on the Mini 4 Pro, but you get it onto the 5. Now, obviously I'm not going to do cycling or skiing. Skiing's amazing. Okay, so I'm going to do, okay, it's just take me, because I haven't used it, see, on this. This is why it's so interesting. Okay, I'm just going to do the wheel thing. Now remember, I've got it on. Oh, I'm going to check on the obstacle avoidance. I've got it on bypass, which is good, so that's fine. I'm going to move a little bit. It's going to come with me. And for those who don't believe that you need a controller, you don't. I've got nobody else here. How you guys are going to cope in the UK with this new law coming in next year? It's going to be a bit of a nightmare. Thankfully here in Spain we're not going down that route yet, but that might change. But anyway, there you are. I don't need a controller on you, but obviously it's advisable because anything could happen. But as you can see on there, you can stop at any time. I'm going to stop that. I'm going to, what else can we do? Oh yeah, I think it's small enough here. Let's bring that drone in a little bit more. Okay, drop that down a bit. So I've got it on there. If I put it on the SIN mode, as we discussed in another video, for some reason it's not moving. So what I've got to do is go into brake, and brake works fine for some reason. Okay, off we go around that way. So we know spotlight moves. Okay, we're going to do another one. We come out of that. We're going to set the drone up. We could go into this other thing that you obviously can't get on the Mini 4 Pro, and that's the rotate. So we have to go into quick shots. Okay, we got rotate at the top there. If you watch any of my videos, I said to you, be so careful, guys, with the setup, because it's going to be going at 17 miles per hour, which I'm going to do this time, which is fine. I've got it on medium, put it on max, tick that as well. We've got it on forward. We got a choice of 40-40 or 180. I'm going to do the 180. Okay, I'm going to do the
3,
start.
2,
Off
1.
it goes any second now. It's just leveling itself off. Off it goes. I love it, but would I be using it much? I don't know. Okay. Is it going to stop now? It has. Thank God for that. Bring it back towards me.
3.
You gotta love
2,
it anyway.
1.
You gotta love it. So I can see it now. I can see it now. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming to the end. That's done. Okay, so to come out of that, all you got to do is click on the quick shots, back on the video. I think the only other thing I can do is just return to home.
Return to home. Landing.
Now that that is way off. Come on, Mini. I mean, that's got to be that has got to be the worst I've ever done it. But anyway, hey ho, it's not the end of the day. If there's anything else you want to see, guys, on the RCN3, I don't know what it could be, let me know. Oh, one more thing. We'll just check one more thing, thinking about it now. I'm just going to place it on the map, and that is this zoom thing. You know, to me, it's a bit of a gimmicky thing. Okay, let's have a little bit more. We're just gonna bring it over there a bit, put that back onto normal. We have got okay, you can do it that way, which is interesting. Okay, what are you going over there for? Okay, I don't know what it's doing, but it's going over there for some reason. I wish you could see what my drone's doing. I think it's going on a drone walk. Oh, it's come back in. That was amazing. it's literally followed the whole route that I'd done. It's on the landing pad. Anyway, guys, bit of fun. But I just wanted to show you the RCN3 because I ain't seen hardly any videos on that, just to prove that you can still use that. But as always, there's going to be another video coming right sooner.